बनाइए, जस्ट यू ट्राई टू मेक योर प्रोफाइल, योर ब्रांड, योर इमेज इन दिस वर्ल्ड, ऑटोमेटिक पीपल बिकम फैन, फॉलोअर, फैन, एवरीथिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड। अगर आप किसी के पीछे भागोगे सैयारा मूवी की तरह तो कुछ मिलने वाला नहीं है। तो ऐसा काम करिए कि लोग आपके पीछे क्या करें, भागे। So please, you need to make your profile, your brand, your image. People come, people respect, salute to you. Why you make your miraculous, unprecedented profile, brand, image in this world. जो जितनी अपनी ब्रांड बनाएगा उतना फेमस बनता चला जाएगा। फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी इज दैट योर कि whenever you come here, whenever you start to learn English language, so guys, only you need confidence. You saw many people, they are handless, they are legless, but they work hard and they achieve a miraculous, unprecedented types of things in their life. So why not we?
Welcome back to English by Hafiz.
परों को खोल जमाना उड़ान देखता है, परों को खोल जमाना उड़ान देखता है, जमी पे बैठ करके आसमां देखता है। उठ खड़ा हो। Actually this is the poetry which encourage, inspire me more. तो देखिए, अंग्रेजी वगैरह सीखने के लिए आप लोग जो भी आते हो, जो भी आपका मकसद है, वट एवर योर टारगेट, एम्बिशन, ड्रीम, इट माइट बी दैट सम ऑफ यू want to be a doctor, engineer, officer, lawyer, CM, PM, whatever you have ambition, target, dream, you must fulfill, you must run to complete, to fulfill your ambition. But you know what is our target? To come here. We come here not to learn English. Exactly, we come here to improve our English confidence level, even understanding overall our personality, because still we don't know what is our personality. If we want to make your brand, if we want to make actually your profile, how you can be, how you can realize ki what's your value, what's your virtue, what's your quality. So by coming here in this class, you can realize well ki really this is the so amazing, miraculous, tremendous, fabulous, unprecedented class which give you lots of confidence. Confidence, this is one kind of a skill which can give you power. If you have confidence, then you can face any kind of challenges there, whatever coming in your path, in your way. So nobody is complete in this world, in this universe, in this Brahma by the way. But the things which inspire, the things which give you confidence, power, this is your confidence, ladies and gentlemen. The very first priority is that your कि whenever you come here, whenever you start to learn English language, so guys, only you need confidence, you need more 100 to 100 voltage current in your body. If you have confidence, then you can perform on the munch, on the dice, before audience, people, anywhere you can perform amazingly, precedently. That is why I come here. I give you something, guys. You can see ki how you can see sustainable development changes in your personality, in your English, in your life. You could not believe. That is why you came here. So guys, you all coming here, it might be that some of you, they prepared something, they have some kind of a skill, they will perform there on the munch, on the dice, where they will try to show how much talented, whatever you have. So each of you who are sitting here, I want to connect to you personally, guys. Everybody perform. You all very potential, great creator of this world. You are supreme, you are powerful person of this world. Please value yourself, identify yourself. Just you have to say that the things which tremble, shiver, shock in my life, कि वी ऑल आर सेफ, वी आर कंप्लीट ह्यूमन बीइंग, वी हैव 2 हैंड, लेग, हेड, पर्सनालिटी, body, everything we have. Today, you know, you saw many people, they are handless, they are legless, they have not hand, they have not leg, but they did a great achievement in their life. How is it possible? How is it possible? They have not any kind of resources, they have not any kind of skill, but they work hard and they achieve a miraculous, unprecedented types of things in their life. So why not we? You can be, you can achieve, you can gain whatever you have ambition. The things which you require only, you must have. You must have perseverance, endurance. You must have patience in your life. One hand is endurance, perseverance. Second hand, you must have creativity. You must have effort. You must have pain. Definitely you can see result very soon. So tell me guys, are you excited? Are you excited, enthusiastic to do work? Are you ready? Are you set? Are you excited? Tell me. Are you working hard? Are you working hard? Are you valuing yourself? आप लोग कंप्लीट हो कि नहीं बताइए? हर एक तरह से आप लोग कंप्लीट हो? सारी चीजें आपके पास है? और अगर हमने कुछ बताया कि आपके पास कुछ नहीं है तो वो एक्सक्यूजेज में आ जाएगा। जितने सारे लोग महान हुए हैं सभी के पास रिसोर्सेज नहीं थे, कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था। एक नीरज चोपड़ा साहब हैं, आप लोग जानते हो, अपने देश के, जानते हो कि नहीं? किस एरिया में हुआ है बताइए? क्या उनका काम है? भाला? हाँ, उन्होंने क्या किया था? कितने मीटर का भाला फेंका था, आपको याद है? वो एक फेमस हमारे क्या देश के हमारा नाम रोशन किए, मतलब वो चैंपियन बने, मेडलिस्ट बने, ठीक है। उनसे एक न्यूज वालों ने पूछा कि भाई आप कैसे यहाँ आ गए, वो क्या चीज की जिसने आपको यहाँ लाके खड़ा कर दिया, जरा बताइए लोगों को वो क्या की चीज थी? What stand you here? What make you? What compelled you to come here? Answer is that so simple, guys. After listening answer, you will amaze, shock, tremble. आंसर उन्होंने क्या दिया? उन्होंने कहा कि आपके पास कुछ रिसोर्सेज नहीं था, आपके पास, आप एक पुअर बैकग्राउंड से क्या है, आप अपने यहाँ से आए हो। तो उन्होंने आंसर क्या दिया कि भाई मेरे पास ना गाड़ी थी ना घोड़ा था, ना मेरे पास रिसोर्सेज थे, ना मेरे पास पैसा था, ना कुछ था, और यही वजह है कि मैं यहाँ आपके सामने आ गया हूँ। अगर मेरे पास रिसोर्सेज होता, अगर मेरे पास पैसा होता, मैं एक अमीर घर के आदमी होता, तो मैं कभी यहाँ पे पहुंच नहीं पाता। तो आपके पास रिसोर्सेज है नहीं, वो बहुत दूर की बात है, राइट? नहीं है, बड़ी अच्छी बात है। जिंदगी में मेहनत करना है। यू नीड टू वर्क हार्ड इन योर लाइफ। If you have already, I have mentioned once, last time also I came here, I mentioned that sentence, if you have power, if you have ability, capacity, skill, talent to work continue 365 days, then you can see something amazing in your life. दोस्त बताइए किसके अंदर पावर है 365 दिन काम करने की, मेहनत करने की? बताइए कोई है ऐसा बंदा जो करता है? मेहनत करते हो आप लोग? करोगे? तो हर एक दिन आपके लिए चैलेंजेस है, हर एक दिन आपके लिए कुछ ना कुछ नया लाएगा। ये जो प्रोग्राम है, कंपटीशन है, जो क्लास है, सारी चीजें आपसे कहती हैं, ईच एंड एवरी थिंग्स calling you, offering you, please come, this is opportunities, this is opportunities, accept, acknowledge. But human being, they are reckless, they are careless, they are not active. So this is, guys, हर एक दिन आपके लिए चैलेंज है। हर एक दिन सुबह में उठिए और सोचिए, just you have to think that, remember, memorize कि I have to be a great public speaker, I have to be a doctor, engineer, whatever you dream. You have to remember, remind your mind over and over many times, I have to be, I have to do, I can do, I am potential, I can do. Really you can see आप लोग ऐसा कहते हो? बताइए, जो आपका टारगेट आप कहते हो ऐसा कहते हो कि नहीं? बताइए, हाँ कहते हो। और डेली कहना है आपको